Hey everyone, Zane with you, and today we'll show you how to fix Microsoft Authenticator app not showing code on your phone problem. Okay, the first thing that you should do is simply go and open the Play Store or App Store and make sure that you have the latest update. Once you make sure that you have the latest update, you should go to the settings, then go to date and time, and make sure that you have the time set automatically. So after that, you want to go and open the Microsoft Authenticator and make sure that you open it just like so. Then you want to go and click on App Info. Then you want to go and click on Storage and Cache. Then you want to go and click on Clear Storage and click on clear cache, clear both. Then you want to get back and click on force stop. This is the first thing that you can do through your mobile. Now let's go through your PC. You should open your PC, then go to Microsoft account. Then you want to go and click on security. Then go and click on manage how I sign in. Then go and click on remove. Then go and click on remove again. Then after that, will show a notification just like so on your phone after removing. Just click on OK. And now you want to get back and open the Microsoft Authenticator again. Then click on add a new way to sign in or verify. Then go and click on use an app. Then go and click on get it now. Then go and click on next. Then go and use the QR code on your phone in order to scan the QR code in your PC and you're all set. And that's all for today's video. If you find it helpful, please support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thank you for watching and goodbye.